Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export videos in CapCut PC. So select the export button here and you're just going to type in your video, maybe like travel. Then you're going to select the resolution of your choice. You can go with 4K if you'd like to, and these are just all of my settings. I usually export stuff at 1080p. Then once you're done, you're just going to select export. You can also enable this. I don't really know what it does. Maybe it's just for a smoother playback, but it is a pro feature, unfortunately. So just do this and export it and your video will be just fine. You can export just the audio itself, and you can also export it as a GIF here, as you can see. If you want like a bigger resolution, you do need the Pro one. There's also a captions one. There's no captions in this video, so I don't see like the purpose of it. You can also check for copyright here as well before you export. Make sure you selected the correct folder so you'll be able to find the files, and just press export once you're done. And that is it for this video. When it's done exporting, it's going to show like open folder and you can just select that. I'm just gonna stop exporting, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.